If you want to sell Canva templates on Etsy or another platform, saving and sharing them correctly is essential. Canva offers several sharing options that look similar, but using the wrong one can completely break the process. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to save a Canva design as a template, what not to click, and how to deliver it properly to customers. Before we get into the steps, it's important to understand the difference between finished art and a Canva template. If you're selling a finished piece of art, you export it as a JPEG or PNG. The buyer receives a static file they can print or use as is. A Canva template, on the other hand, is not a file. It's an editable design that opens inside Canva. When you sell a template, you're selling access to that editable design. Because templates must remain editable, they are shared using a Canva link, not by downloading the design. Etsy and other platforms deliver that link to buyers inside a PDF file. The PDF acts as the delivery method. The link inside the PDF is what opens the template in Canva. Before creating your template link, there are a few things to check. First, make sure your design uses only free Canva fonts and elements. Not all buyers have Canva Pro, and any Pro assets will appear locked and unusable for them. You can check fonts by highlighting, going to Font in the floating toolbar, and checking the drop-down to make sure there is no crown beside it. Same goes if you placed graphics or photos. If there's a crown, replace it. Second, finalize your design completely. All text should be editable, and anything meant only for you should be removed. Once you share the template, buyers will see exactly what you see. This is where most people go wrong. When you click the Share button in Canva, you'll see a purple Copy Link button. Do not click this. You'll also see a Public View Link option. Do not use this either. Both of these links prevent buyers from properly editing the design. Here is the correct process. Click the Share button in the top right of Canva. Instead of clicking the Download button, like you normally would, click here on See All to open additional sharing options. Once that panel opens, look to the top right and select Template Link by clicking on it. This opens to a Create Template link. Click the purple button, and once the link appears, click Copy. This is your official Canva template link. This is what you will place in the PDF for your customer to download. You don't upload this Canva link directly to Etsy. Instead, you are going to create a simple PDF where you will place that template link as either a clickable button or text link. Then you will upload that PDF to Etsy as your digital download. When saving your PDF, do not select Flatten. Flattening the PDF disables clickable links. If you flatten the file, your Canva template link will not work. Always save the PDF with links enabled. When buyers download the PDF, they click the link and open the template in Canva. Before publishing your listing, confirm that the template opens and is editable. Make sure no Canva Pro assets are used. Make sure the link works inside the PDF and that you didn't click Flatten. Testing your link once can save you a lot of customer messages and grief later. And there you have it. Now you know how to confidently save and sell your template on Etsy. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.